So Hannover Messe USA was really a no-brainer for me. First of all, from the interest that they showed in not only us as a company, but us and our technology and how it would fit into this particular area. And for Hannover Messe USA to really recognize that and see that ahead of time it was again a no-brainer for us. We've really gotten a lot of really strong leads, and again, I'm really excited to be working with Hannover Messe USA.
We decided to exhibit at Hannover Messe USA to give a greater exposure to new customers. There's not that many people that know about us, and we think it's a great venue to be exposed to people from a variety of backgrounds.
We decided to come to Hannover Messe USA 2018 specifically because just the general audience that comes to this show, coupled with IMTS, the amount of people that are looking for the advancements in technology is really strong. The level of conversation is right at the level we need it to be for the next generation technology.
I think Hannover Messe industry is famous for, I'd say, bringing out innovative solutions, and I think especially manufacturing companies are listening to such a organization like Hannover Fair, and I think was a good decision.
So this is an important show for us. The reason we chose to exhibit at Hannover Messe USA is because Tulip is a global software brand. We have customers in North America, in Europe, as well as Asia. But Hannover Messe is a really trusted brand, and it's a really important place to connect with our global partners and our customers all around the world.
Well, this has been a great show for us traditionally. This obviously isn't our first year that we've been here. It's been consecutive years for us here in the Chicago show. And it's always a great opportunity for us to show anything that may be new, any of our product that may have evolved since last year, where we've made some slight changes to it. It's just a great industry to be out here, and the word gets out here when we're at this show.
Please do come back in 2 years from now. We will be there, we will be bigger, we will be in a better space, and we'll have more solutions for you to show. So please do come back in 2 years.